called Good News International. If you feel constrained to speak freely on this issue, yes, you don't have to contribute. But what you cannot do, Mr. Speaker, is to try and mischaracterize what we are facing. These people, we know what social movements are. We know what the social movement is. Like what she was trying with sensitization on period shaming. That's a social movement. It's not a cult. Are you saying your movement is a cult? It's not a cult, Mr. Speaker. It is in public domain that in fact this gentleman was operating, running a church. It is based on certain faith and beliefs that are founded in religion. In fact, Mr. Speaker, so if you feel that because of your own political
Senator
constraints...
Sifuna, you have made your point.
Oh, let me finish. Let me finish. And you will not shout at me. Let me finish. I'm on a point of order.
Order, Gloria.
Yeah, I am. I am on a point of order. Mr. Speaker, if you feel constrained by your political chains that you can't put them down and speak to an issue objectively, you don't have to contribute, but you don't have to mislead us here.
Senator Gloria, assume and proceed to prosecute your issue.
Mr. Speaker, I'm standing here as Senator Gloria Orwoba, giving my views as Senator Gloria Orwoba. I do not see any chains around me, Mr. Speaker, and let it